In heaven, will you sack for money? In heaven, there's no these things, so we're not going to do them for heaven. I just want to let you know. The thing of this of the world, full pain body, where. Yeah? Are you, the things of the body, food for your body? You know, food for your body, make you die, go heaven, oh. Because for now, we they live for this earth. What I go? So, now your business. If you talk, the things of the body, no, the things of the world, no. Then my body woto. So, guys, because we are going to touch bases. I am there with one eriri occasion naka. Nkita ba eriri occasion na po ago nkita na na po ya ago ego ndem mmadụ scam. I want you to tag him here because he threw a challenge na akoko onye shimbuka. And first and foremost, you know why I am replying you? Nkita ba ologiri naka. Listen to me. I am the very well. I am the last woman. Every 24 hours. He begin on the streets are hustling. Igbo men that I know that are hustling. Even the Newe people you're trying to be their spokesman are on the are on the motor pass. Now hustle, they make money. And you know here. Nkitaba listen to me. I am not like those numerous of your girlfriends that you could not marry and keep in the house. I am the last person to draw a battle line with. I am the last person to ever get used to FBI to threaten me. That is the line you cross. Jejo one woman and Abuja. Jejo one woman. The reason why Ogechi on a perpetual pain today is because Oshim na get threats and I get jitapo a deport. That is why it's to do with peace. In Kita Beri Occasionaka, listen to me. In Kita Beri Occasionaka, listen to me. Don't you that FBI got me out. Oh, there will be no peace. You want to that's in Kita Boria or Occasionaka. That's a mount. Am I mount the banyu? I want a two different mount. I want a cap. I want a ogologo. No, so many buying. Now listen. I'm need the ogologo. And I bali also. Every day, you mount. No. Why men are on the street hustling? You are busy scamming people. Edge deport again na UAE. Look at the country deport again. Look at the country deport again. UAE. Imagine how fucked up you are. Come on, UAE deport again. Tell me what would your life benefit from? It would the gods to come and who are you? Who are you? Iwonye? An idiot that left part of his destiny Nanke Dumeje. Left part of his destiny Nanke Baka. Left part of his destiny Nanke Zion. Left part of his destiny Nanke Akwa. Left part of his destiny Nanke JCN. Do I look like you? Do I look like you that your fellow men are somewhere hustling and you're looking for the money they hustle to feed you because of your greedy criminality, scamming activity that you went to UAE, gas scam, the government they deport Wagi. And they deport the people from Germany, US, London, Canada. Yeah, will come on UAE, they deport Wagi. Even people in Njaka deport to then I would get deported. Are you not a useless man? Useless man, if I ask. Yeah? Imagine UAE that people in Njaka get deported. Shiboge, I want to leave. Get deported to tell you the lowest of your lowest of it all. Imagine you. Do you know how many people that I have hooked up that they had to get deported from UAE? They're looking for Canada visa, US visa, London visa. Could you imagine your life? They deported your misery from UAE. People in Njaka intentionally deported. Then you are the useless idiot in deported. That be with the mono. No, that's all my lineage. Blue passport to blue passport. Can she like you very with Rono? Odika, you have lost. You're no longer concentrating. Look at an idiot. How old are you? Papuma shower iriafole. Apunoma shower that will not be proud to even know. A rejected Enukuman. Listen to me. If you don't call that FBI, this town, J-Pipe giving you 500,000. Oh, idiots. Look at people you're kissing their ass. Why can't you tell J-Pipe to come and challenge me? So Imaru J-Pipe many. Oh, you did not know? So when he my brother that who I'm well loved. My brother that I love so much. This is my brother na Germany. This is my brother. Okay. I won't look at the J package inside the Jerry be happier. J pack. Look at that just so happier for a while. I won't look at. Do you think I play such game? Look at the shadow beer at Mamu. He has to run inside to go and bear look at. Only here na dem my brother. My own brother. Iwonyara. All Grinaka. Let me warn you. If you don't bring that FBI, I will be your FBI in this blue app. Because your record is overwhelming. I'm a number chat today. People that will give me more of your information are coming. You are very hopeless. You are very. Imagine the sugar party can get biyo. Then Akwa okuko nyetoro. Ija got to beg and kiss Akwa okuko to feed you. I'm shaking all like this as a man. As a man, Ilende gonna happen to one mamu. Faba frogo. Can somebody send that I may go hana? It's on a mamu. Gangedege. It's on a mamu. Bang bedebede. It's on a mamu. Arabona go send that I may go. Can somebody send it to me on WhatsApp? Arabina go. It's on a mamu. Bang bedebe. Because I like me go. Despite that, I like them. As far as it sound good to me, I will play it. It doesn't matter who played it. It doesn't matter who is the singer or who sang the song. It's none of my business. So, when your fellow men, we are busy hustling, you are busy doing 419, now scam people, na UAE. Now scam unde madu. Turugi, wage ka ball, babagina go na net. Turugi ship from Dubai people majira ka buru ya ni shibalaga get deported. Imagine how worthless you are. Imagine that your life is the lowest of it all. You can even manage on your deporter from Turkey. You can even manage on your deporter from other countries, Dubai, where people go and spend their money. Where people go and show this country, I'm tired. Where people are rejecting to beat is where epikirigi. They can get about you, get taranu. Anun keka, ejiria jiayoya. He wanted the audacity shemu. Let me even guys so can I get his threats, not video. Can I go the threats again? Yirim gi jaba weather. Di where I get with one thing where he wear that one deceive on dinner deceive no good. It will go to wagare like this. Yeah, he just scam ugande maduna Dubai, scam uga people, scam uga top people, atoroge to ayoge. Atoroge kaya ge kampuku. Ibage where henda where that place here where are fife like ibaga spray nishi. No good. It will go to your conditioner like this. Well, on the chori help, okay? Because they see that you have lost it all. They have seen that you have lost it all. Look at the history of you and J Park. The same pass and parcel. Replicant of each other. Replicant history J Park only from Dumeje. How many people shame up go to J Park? But to you only 500,000. That 500,000 got check her for. it will chialaga for. Look at how fucked up you are. Look at how fitted, how dirty you are. You beg and beg. Igana Zion got it to wine. Chena had a pay attention. Apart like a the same you that came out indirectly and sagaring Zion had the audacity. And let me warn you. You see this case, you see this matter. Remove Zion from your dirty, filtered life. If not this case, Zion has nothing to do with it. Stay clear. They don't need you, they don't want you, they don't need your support. You are done. Edufulagi, Eject Gogi. So fuck off. Nobody invited you. Nobody called you. Don't you ever start mentioning Zion because you have lost the credibility and they want to use Zion again. Don't you ever in your life try it. I try it, Malaya. Don't you ever with the Zion Nime Ogi as who? Ogi as a deportee? Ogi as a criminal? Ogi as who? If I may ask you, Ogi as who? Who know you? Who the fuck knows you? If I may ask you, Ogi as onye? Who with double? Excuse you. Do you know that? Can position you in your life to talk to a woman like me? Are you mad? So you don't understand the level that's where you want to double into. In a shana one you who work money. Chineke bogo. One you who money we feed you, we hire you, we pay you. We'll not even hire you because you're not educated. You're a daft, you're a tout. And I'm a way who money. At least I would make who no man and no tego. Can you go so Bram Ganaka and deport all from the cheapest country on earth? Idiot, not a mother and I'm UAE. Are you? Okay? I have this major one I need. So you putana. People are not asking the deporter. I can't get a UAE a deporter. You see how fucked up you are. Ndino Nigeria kala. Ndi German and Suka village juna. Dako uba hono na ako nima nimu yelu gonkora hunu na yi. Abere lo wani bunu. Age booze or those get booze or kelega ni good morning. Before you look at an Suka village man. They were tremono. Are you okay? Now Agamabian Jiaguana Joga Juju. You know what makes men remain? Give an obodo you put one identity. Get one fingerprint. I'm coming to finish you. So that all I'm that FBI. You want to go? Do you see what gallant men do for the country they love? Do you see it? Do you see when gallant men talk, they have reason to open mouth and talk? Eh? He's not ordinary a military guy. Oh. He's not ordinary. So, come on, anybody hit all the hops. And they come. You want to go? So, when you want to talk to me, you level your life with men that want it. That's your useless hair clean. You see, I'm using it to clean the dust. Where put that rubbish just where you clean in my house? Because a cleaner is where you belong. You don't belong where men want it to belong. So shut your trash to even open mouth to talk to me. This is what man. He's not ordinary a military guy. What I mean? So when you want to talk, when you want to talk to me, you show me level and class. You are classless. Basically classless. And that may finish is to go digging now. I'm talking my hero here. The hero of Americans. And the hero of Umibu. Chireka talk here. You want to be celebrated. Chireka walk Very wait in the morning. I don't have quick. Chere, let me open the window. It's kind of warm. Now listen. Let me warn you. When I hear Jenny Choyo, Ebaka, ne fari. Ebaka ne fari when you're talking to me. Be warned. Don't you ever in your entire life. Again, Shemu, FBI, let that day be the first and the last you will try it. That thing, just wherever you need channel you, because as it sits now, you don't have no career. School, you no go. Nothing you not get. You are just a hunter. Looking for a room to beg for Igeri. Don't you ever. And you not get that 500,000 just to put that me. Don't you ever mention my fucking name again. You that is worthless. You that is worthless. Worthless not if you talk when you that is this thing eje clean the door. Sin academy like this. In academy like this, you don't you ever in your entire generation to even try me. I am too hot for you to try. Don't you ever. I am not like every other women who humiliating at this blue app. Don't you dare me. I'm gonna have for people to like me. I never told you. I need more enemies. More enemies. Okay. You commented that the less man is waiting for me. I ignore you. But calling nigga Akwa is what I will. What Allah? Okay. Hold on. When I got not here, be me anything. Hold on. Let me block your destiny. Hold on. Turn. What I go? As you can see now, I'm not in the same circle with all these women. All the jobless, hopeless men that cannot leave fingerprint if that cannot even be proud. Oh, he's from Nigeria. You don't even have anything. Oh, he's from Igbo. You don't even have anything to represent anything that attach with where you come from. All you incompetent men. Before you talk to me, you go and show me what you are made of. Look at an idiot like you. You want to go? No, I'm blocking them. I block them, Hannah. Don't worry, I'm blocking them. Don't you ever in your entire generation. I can understand the predicament of what you're passing through. And he's still behind. I can understand your pain. I can understand how frustrated you are. But don't bring it to me. That you make yourself the cheapest criminal. Where you be deported is from common UAA. Don't you ever in your entire fucked up life to near me. That you went to Zion to seek for your money. The same J Park he came to me. If I lie, let me not see tomorrow. Came to me and start telling me your predicament. How fucked up your life has become. How messed up you have become. That he's ready to war you. Nigga and Zion beach ego. Eh? You won't yara. Those numerous concubines and wife and girlfriend deal with not washing her name without condom. So am I that stupid to follow a tout that cannot even write his name? So you felt like that I'm ugly does not mean that I will end up with a foolish man like you. You want to go? That Ogechi is class. I am not a prostitute. That I marry this place and run out and run this place and run out. No. You want to go? For a medical doctor alone is not a joke. For an army general alone is not a joke. Do you get to understand? That is why you cannot keep a woman. You cannot even marry a woman and keep in your house. You want to go? So don't see me as all these single prostitutes. Go and work with me. I'm not cheap. So build your woman before even nobody. I am a self-made person before I got married. Don't you ever in your actually I can't even keep you in a place and hire you. You have the audacity. Be shemo. Are you among the Navy? Are you among the elites? Are you among the the people who are through ihe niile no. Imakwa ebishi. Imakwa ebishi ewupu one thing agupu ebu unu na Igbo. Iwu onye ara. Look at I need you to be forget those the blues or destroy yage. Sometimes even if you talk, we cannot even understand what you're saying, idiots. Come on, before you mention that in there, we get booze or there is a gire. Who are you to speak for us? Don't you know why J packaging went to call Kadento because she's from Newi? Are you mad? Let's now. I'm in your entire life. Kachineke happy Bugono. Usu that beg 1 naira to eat, 2 naira to eat and survive. Are you not? Inubananya? Anaboga nkitaba eri okasinaka. Kana bogi na wore tabaka don't you ever in your entire life to near me because I'm there. I'm too rugged for you to fuck with. Did you hear what I said? Stay clear from me. I'm a very sharp object. I'm a Kulamanwa. I am not that type. I hope I'm all these women who name intimidates. I am not that kind. I am married. I am fulfilled. What more can you tell? That all the hotel she's visiting and she's hawking and eating 1 naira, 2 naira. Do I look like that? Prostitution. Are you mad? Gina kwan kita bolo grinaka. Stay clear 1 billion away from me. Onye mene go. Nwa go na ata afisa. Kegi na ata abacha. Na ata aja. Na ata gari. Na ata panimu. Agun who belong aso nwa go tara afisa. Who belong aso nwa go the useless like you. Who belong get pula nwa agun. Imakwa ni shi nwa agun adi atona mbi wo nyara. Eh? Kagina ina grass. Ado chicha. Ado ke. Ada ina ekuna na ewu agu bola. For where? Nkita na azo kan ha ga-egbu ya. Nkita na azo kan ha ga-egbu ya. Nkita na eri nshi. Nkita na eri nshi. Naza agu bola. Nkita bola nshiraka. A pig can again myself. You talking unyara. Ndebunu bocha abacha gaje aya. Agwagena ndenne wi na agwa abacha. Agwagena ji come on wuru nkita na ata abacha. Ina asa nkita agu na bola. Idiot. Bia susuru kwagi. You that sold your dignity, don't you ever in your life cross past where I did. Onyara. Nkita tuturula afahu na nkega tatatu ya. Ina za agobola. Onye gwara gị na agụ na ata ahịhịa. Onye gwara gị na agụ na ata aja. Onye gwara gị na agụ na eri nshi ụmụazị nyụrụ maka ndị okenye. Ewo nkita gbala nshinaka. Chineke kpọ kwago ọkụ ime nshinukwa aha m. Bi onye ọla apụtara na ife anya ba ihe anya ba. Fanyu bo wada nne gị. Owa pana nne gị. Stay clear from him. He's a man to reckon with you. Who will reckon with you? And I reckon with a criminal like you at the portal. The worst thing we do to a man, even no condition Udela. When Udela was deported, the queen and go end, you will still end like Udela. You will soon end like Udela. Usu. How dare you? How dare you? Get the big another gun. You get you fight Ogechi. Where you it's always scam Igbo. Do you want to scam Nderi like you? It's always scam Nderi like you. Ogechi, Biana, Tabaka, Una chokwali guwa you again. Una chokwali jahane kunde mato waye because my name is easy to because onyo la chaka. Eh we nanya age wetere because no back on. Una chokwali scam people again. Nobody should pay you guys attention. Oh, you guys are criminals. Criminals. Each ebo se ga baje suoshi. E banana Zion emege bru heje yicha broom. Get bru heje yicha broom. Each and get deceived in the Zion. All Zion people are educated wise. Stay clear from that place. You are no longer needed. You have sold your dignity. Igana came back, rigam baka, kotam baka. Igana came to watch, riga to watch, oh, well. Gaban and K Zion. Gachori riba on the baha wagon had a wise. That if I feel man a famaya. Agona machine. A chop passenger. Agona get my machine. Na Lagos gane ushanage. Get manam. Emana machine. Na Lagos gane ushan. Ibushanage ari maghewu. Egitegi no lo okada ebi na mo okada. Acho na gaga na ga kwa aga me paro. I want to go the song. I shall go me I want to go the song. When you're labirani, ya read the Zion. When you're laterani, ya bury in the Ojepaika black putaya. This is quality kutagi. Then go again. I can Lagos. I chebo just agiti. Yahumba the years we here. You know, sorry who gives you are proud of yourself. Because everyone know that the condition has turned you because you were criminal idiots. You won't need irrespect of the way. God, this one, mama, a Korea, a Soria, Unazo, Mani Hona, Zaza, mama, Umabro, Korea, Kabam. Oh, yeah, come swaggy. I chicken that one, chiga. Can you make a bumble like this? Can you an acre? Arana, imagine be a doctor. Idiots, useless set of people. Tell me about, yeah, like this. I don't know, yeah, and they did the video. Yeah, they are like this. And they did the video. All of you. Step on my toes. Come crush ya. All these hungry idiots that believe it on Facebook pay. Una Ogechi. Una wula man. Una better oma. Some of you LLM page you and when you know when the go do no get until una are able no gare. And what I go? Until because I may save video. Because I don't know for anybody's trouble. And I don't know if what I'm doing, if you don't like my guts, if you don't like how I talk, stay clear, mind your business. Facebook is too big to contain all of us. Why are you always in my business? Why the fuck always in my business? I don't know none of y'all. I do my things. If you don't like my guts, if you don't like how I speak, if you don't like how bold I am, then go and shovel it in your eyes. It's none of my business. Go and control not me. Odogu carry Odogu. Odogu is not only by money, by class, by society, by whatever it takes to enter where you cannot enter. Who the fuck are you to come and tell me how to run my shit? My husband never complained. Never complained. Nadim never complained. People that matters never complain. Yeah, would idiot like you? No one business. I don't know. And when you get this word, I will never meet. Even if I meet you, I have no business with you. Where is my God? No problem. Where is my God? Is my fucking problem. I don't know. Do I know any of you? If you feel so intimidated, then block me and fuck off my page. Because do you think it's back then in the days where women cannot talk? Some women too are so intimidated by me because they are so inferior. They can't stand and defend themselves. Ogechi is a problem. And Mamonyewu is some giba kuna na Malaysia. It's some giba kuna na Kale. Some giba kuna all part of the corners of the world. We na wo hi kegi na gana ke babalawo na ogu. Am I among you? Esomunu. With these people, you will just see somebody, her God, the way she talk with it, I can't even start. What is my talking got to do with you? I am single like you. I try to put him book with another man. As someone would you know. When we don't know what you have until you lose it. Oh no, but you what you know one way or another. No, but you na respect here. Because I'm here cover auto one woody. I decided to cover my auto. Yeah, what problem? What is in a problem? I don't decide to work when I continue. Okay, she's very arrogant. How is my arrogance? Did I mention your name? Did I fucking know you? Every day, wahala. Every day, I got you. No, my God. Stay your lane. Stay your lane. If you hate me when they love me for me, be me. Trust me. People that love me is more than what you think. In the night, to get you in the church card, they are all these useless Igbo men. Real Igbo men love me for me. They talk to me, and they know Ogechi Okeke respect. They know men that matters in the society. They love me. Now, if you're not talkative, this has been my way of operating on social media. It's not about being talkative. This is me. You can't stop me from speaking my mind. It's about me telling you that I will not allow you to subdue me. That is it. You can't tell me that. If you are intimidated by me, that's your business. I am not afraid to face my fear. Threatening me, I will come brutally 21 million times. That you're too weak to challenge your fear. I'm not. I never look for a shoulder to lay on. I'm always standing on my own. People will come and lay their shoulder on me. I'm not intimidated by no bagger. I don't rally around to look for relevancy. I stay on my own to issue my problem. If you don't like me, pack one side. Every day, I got you. Every day, I got you. And I can't get it. You know, no. When I'm one on Gabana Poma. When some bloggers, some mugacha, Agwaram gays, listen. If you want to carry my video, do not speak any negative thing in my video. Because if you speak negative thing, I will claim my property. I'm warning you. Even my picture, I will take it. If you want to carry video, even if you don't want to know how to talk, just don't ever speak any negative thing on my video. Or that's one potential no get strike again. You can use my video, but do not speak any negative thing with my content, because I will destroy you. I want while I'm gonna. Some people went and posted before I didn't even warn. They are crying on it. Don't even use my picture. Even a video, my picture, no, don't copy it and post on your page. If you're my enemy, stay anything that has to do with me away. I don't have problem with people copying it, doing their own, posting it to the after all on your monetize the page. If I can feed you, no problem. If you can use my video to do feeding, no wahala. But don't speak negative words. If you don't like me, you should not carry anything that has to do with me. Period. Ndala. Ndala. Stay clear. I'm a brutally weapon. And I'm a banishi. And then he got survive here. Stay clear. Stay clear. Don't say I did. Even in Manu Mega cooperate picture man on there. Weapon. Dala. Every time Ogechi didn't know. And I'm a man number. I didn't give I got no katana name enjoy your money bear. I didn't give I got no katana like this man hope. Now be yaka. When I not go there on my own, every dog get chairman, no video when I come with that get your problem. When I come for you, and when I want idiot, mama will take it to the bleaching reaction about my you. One useless foolish idiot when I was even fighting with a bodoless man. The idiot and where put my video, where put my picture on your platform. I'm warning you, you know. I don't want to, because Irube, Menge Bito face Yegi. So I don't want to be the one to give anybody follower. Remove my picture from that video you tag. I am not the kind of person you fuck with. Remove me. Don't try to say Ogechi strike. Remove all my picture and run your mouth. Remove my picture. Don't say I didn't warn you. You hate me naturally. Everything that concerns me is, and then when you put my video, fucking remove my video. Remove it. Chineka Bogono. Ndala. Bunch of idiots. And I do me with evidence. Remember the video, did I mention your name? What guts and audacity do you have to question me? When I was making the video, was your name mentioned in that video? Was your name mentioned for you to have the audacity to come and tell me, to come and ask me for evidence? Are you not? Do I look like your wife or your girlfriend or your concubines? It's a big question. Okay, I mean, evidence that's your pretty kegi and all before you get the evidence. The evidence. I say who you be. I see one ye. It's a big question evidence. So the ones J Parker has been saying all this while, have you ever asked him evidence? Have you ever asked him evidence? Yeah, what evidence. The ones he has been blabbering for years, were you able to knock his head and share evidence? Okay, chicken abiju evidence because I'm okay to you know they rise again. Come dogging evidence foolish idiots. And I be jume and I jume evidence say ma gonna J pipe ya no nga ye ku Dala, and I be at you evidence. I said, who you be? You want it? And I'm man or lay. It's a bad jomo. And I am mad idiots everywhere. And I be you evidence. I still you would on you. I still you would on you. If I may ask you, nga share koko. Be I go back to the Nkitaba or Grinaka. Let me warn you for the last time. Seize my name from your mouth. Because you will not like me. Seize my name from your freaking deported mouth. And I got it everywhere. Not sure how to put food on your table. Stay clear from me. And I got it from one corner to one corner. From one room to one room. Not sure. Stay away from me. Let me be the last person you will ever come and threaten. Where you belong is in Sokabunu. Go back there and start cultivating. Go there and stop deceiving people. You were a failure. You have failed in life. Go there, go back to Onu Kimbom. Because when he passed on a while. School, you know, go. Sharp, you know, sharp, even sharp. That's a condition again. And I say, anyway, one thing you made a video according to people because I don't fucking watch you. You are fucking tried me. There's nothing to learn from a loser like you. That's why I'm like you. I don't deal with in the loser. I always go for people that are in the game. Because I'm not gonna give me anything to do with. I don't even know why. Well, Zion is a place where I should know lazy. And when we hear now who lazy, and I hunt them goro, and I hunt dara, and I hunt dish them, and I hunt the banuru. Give them no lazy, when he hear gang, I can understand the reason why Zion welcome everybody. Igwe Park tonda babu kwegi. Tonda babu kwegi. Iwonye. Do I beg you for the believing? I issue my statement out there. I did not ask you to believe or not to believe. Okay, give belief now. What is the difference? show you evidence so you can believe. He believe one and when you up and he believe one and they believe what is my business? He believe one and when you up and that he believe for what I'm saying now. And when again, are you gonna give me money? Are you among the people that I will notice that believed? Show me evidence. He believe for now. Will I even notice that you believed? Iwonyara. It just seems so you believe. Believe. It's better you don't believe and keep questioning your stupidity there. Idiot. Many that tell self will be their family problem. Bunch of people that are battling with the family problem. Ufodu shinadi bapata. Ufodu ano. Ufodu things are bothering them. Ya Ogechi mata. Chinek arabalu no. Una the craze. Ufodu want millions of problems they are facing. Ufodu buoria. Ufodu na the bench of Achopolo. Ogechi problem. Una bemumu. Ufodu na every night and Rebecca Chineke goes here. Problem had it too much. Ufodu want a family problem that is choking them. Every day bro Ogechi matter. Echibra just solve for Hega Yanoba. Na chuari Ogechi. Keep the push Ogechi. Man no problem man babuya. Ya actually Ogechi no. I will take a diagnosis today, Paul. When that even with a bad result today, see, look at on Facebook. Ya Ogechi kije. Let me tell you, I don't remove family problem. I don't remove personal issue. What I increase or I double. That is it. Query. As I'm talking to you, when the landlord I got to put this night. As I'm talking to you, when they soon be what you try how to settle the matter. And I shall get so not by hanging nuri. It's over a problem for family. Some family member get natural big support to her in their business. Can I check your giga cut pocket? Look at an idiot a deportee from UAE. You need to be worried about how to get your life together. Suzurula, don't you ever in your entire life again mention my name. If the kind of job J Park name na collect ni ike onyema kwa bitona collect ma when it impossible for a man that is broke. Nothing is impossible when a man is broke. Because if you can subject yourself to this, he will take up, get where henda, kezahe, henda na pomputa ya na ba, get where spray. And I check a bit diarrhea me go mash. Gile that thing you call good. Yana check a bit ebu maka mega diarrhea. Ebu maka mega jadi. Huna call jadi jado makambo. Give it take ba chere. I wish you wouldn't pay. Me get penti ya. This is a God. You want a God, you reach out here na UAE. Yoma. You want a God, you came mishi, them UAE. You want a God, you butcher na sukabunu. And then sukabunu actual God. And then suka, they don't want God. This is God. Chena bunu God between. This is God. Get with it. Mama be chair with the yellow color. Get paint gaya. Gina leuma ima anguma kanyo shijadi jadi ebuke. Get with it abinya. This is a God. They just want to help your fucked up life. They all know saying, the more you look, the less you see. All glitters are not good. Oh, Dala. When a spray, ya. Papa. Get buria. In with a gold do her like that. Gagana. Unsuka bunu. Only to who gold. Because some of them buy in the ego. Then we go to Namagana Newi. Gaga convince ye the billionaires. My God is God. This is God. If you go to condition God cannot like this. You want the kind of God do. Let me tell you. Oh no, Lazarus that thing. Zoria in the name of Inyegaka because they have seen that in the Gina every Gina Hanoto Banuru. That's it. They have left you behind. They have left you behind. Let me tell you one thing you don't understand. I don't know why. One boki chubego. That's a bukredo. One boki chuego because they become rich. Gina husiha. Ihe na na-emezigi. Ina people gina managation ba. Ni when appointments. I can understand your predicament. I can understand your failures in life. Before Ken, a man arrest, that was anchoring a program. Ken, share listen. Okay, Rumbe. I hope people that are following me can remember vividly what I told Ken. She okay, Rumbe. People gonna have to be though. Your age mates. Gabako ne eri go ha patara. Ihe iputa gizi issues ere ha ga back inside because so he jiri aka ma onwe gi ya dike buru mi amuma onye na eme this agbola na onye na eme this nkita na eri nshi because mgbe bidoro zama nkita ba shinaka mgbe bidoro zama ya etele mgbe bidoro na show say I belong good don't they. When a young Igbo boys, he's just in his 20s. Akwa is in his 20s. Gaga with one thing about it and all. Akwa just want to feed you. Akwa is doing this for people not to see him that he's a bad person. He's just helping you. How many won't get an erinche? How many won't get an erinche? Okay, go. It's hard is umaka. When a poker na UAE, Akwa kana choko shaputa na social media. Biakbara ego. Akwa kana choko shaputa bia chondoga ku ndoga tunza ya nishi. Stop degrading yourself. Akwa naka keza ha dibia nka okongbulari. What is his name? This Ayaya. Because it don't set. Where is Eziokwu? Oh no, deep and dekaya patala. Young was so. What a brain be amona ego. Akwena nkana shi ofia free ibu magadi wan. Akwena ba. And that is the your daskata. That is how it is. And not Tiana just said, one pocket yoye. Pocket is empty. Honest your way. Honest. I again an go and fetch your lost cow. That Surumagiko. You're not buy peanut tumti like here, Nata. Okay, that your fake go do not chan. Zero go. I know it's frustration. Okay, gallop go. I just shake. Mbwetina Piragi, none young Dibo Nabaki. When you feel on I am beautiful. Diana Biragi. Then you ugly like us and now. Then ugly like us and now. Then they have package your former John Job and injury jaw and I know. Because I am not sure when a mortgage. And I John Dig it, Bano. Oh, Mogekbano. Nina get to Fukushi Chama. By then, I am very ugly. And I'm beautiful. Built to get with you back. Yeah, Rusiam. egu bebe nwunoku anya shigi je bo adigi every year get claim mo she no na di every December get claim mo she no na di tomorrow get claim mo magi see the wait because he beg every year bia gba npo set gidi na village e mecha ni hishi ha in a village like this get uchi amaka na dia like this get obe get your cousin go beg eba achom ko home imani hi na sero hi mere wegi imani na sero no hi mere wegi ehwe kwa Chiamaka mere gi just Chiamaka luru di and you're older than Chiamaka. When you was in Malaysia na ba kuna Chiamaka was busy na chokwo jaludi. When you was in Dubai na Suoshi Akwa was busy planning how to come and Akwa Oriafole school you no go. We know Akwa no go school, but at least Ojibre na Anambra. Look at a common useless woman. Keep Ibrane with money. Are you when he making issue? If me Peggy Bago so in on Ghana Chonyo Chige Guayo, that in a Guayo. Come and listen to your life story. They get life story. You also Bagabi Jaja Bunde Madoshi. Come and see. That's an Choga Dubai. Come on here first. That's an Choga. They are looking for you. I enemy majority of you. Oh no, Chuipuna Gafferela no. Machine Pana no 1 euro. No na club na ngumme. No channel shielu tabu. Na ngumme na to wine unu gere. Oh he mega this ex-convict. Ana mabeke gi. Mperi cha this one na me face egi. This ex-con. Oh he mega gina. Hey! Agaga buag. Emre gini ji nketa onwu. Magiwu a man e chogoni ge mere commercial motor ya pay go to. Akwa ndebute kwara ogu mepe business ah. Those people are ndebute ogu mepe kwada business oh. E ka etiri hempu. Life will get us in there oh. Ogechi ba Eziokwu ha na eti. But ya ka egbu ha na eti. Because Ogechi is always on the point. Begia. They could reason because they want ya na lie. They your day, I no go notice you. Para hege na ya loga ya loma. I no go notice just on your own. On your own. Day your day. Come happy to give your fucked up life. Day your day. Kai gegi. Chere. Na kala me pregiga também. That get your life in Dubai. When you with dead man. True. My brother. In the information remove. Imagine information in your image save. I'm not going to remove information in your anymore. Come and listen.
Yes, this Ago Bola, maybe in Dubai. So he was deported from this country. He was deported UAE again as a criminal case. It's a fraudster. Where's he from Dubai again? He can't come into Dubai. On one video, one day now come and realize how many million debt he had in Dubai. The case here in Dubai, can we case it to lawyer? He can't come in UAE, cannot allow him to come inside UAE again. Okay, that Agobola again. We are a froster. We are now. Abandre Dubai. Case na Dubai. are bound, they are totally banned. A criminal case. Are bound, they are able to buy. Are bound, they are bound, they are totally able to buy. Joy Mo can able to buy. Obi Dubai before. Obi Dubai on a criminal case. Na Dubai. On a criminal case. A deport from Dubai. For 5 years now, we are Dubai. More than 5 years to 6 years now. We are.
Can you report my video? Guys, na share no na. O wunu na court here. Here me na ye trip home off. Na share no. I need to destroy these people. Na share no. Emu na wan kete. Na share no. Eh? O wunu na court this thing. I want to shares subdue all these things. Love, click love, shares, click love, likes, recommend us, comment Facebook. We are recommending this video. Facebook read, they see. So your name, Anna Hejanya home. They know they take eye, see me.
Yes, all this I go Bola. It might be in Dubai. So he was deported from this country. He was deported UAE again as a criminal case. It's a fraudster. Where is Jacob Dubai again? He can't come into Dubai. One video one day na Akwa realize how many million debt he had in Dubai. Case here one at Dubai, can we case it to lawyer? He can't come in UAE, cannot allow him to come inside UAE again. Okay. That I go bola again. We are who a fraudster. We are now a boundary Dubai. A case in Dubai. A boundary totally banned. A criminal case. A boundary a Dubai. A boundary. A boundary totally a Dubai. Joy Mo can have Dubai. Obi Dubai before. Obi Dubai on a criminal case. Na Dubai. On a criminal case. A deport from Dubai. For 5 years now, we are in Dubai. More than 5 years to 6 years now. We are in Dubai. Okay, more than okay, we are in Dubai. Where is Jacob Dubai again? He can't come into Dubai. One video one day na Akwa realize how many million debt he had in Dubai. Case here one at Dubai, can we case it to lawyer? He can't come in UAE, cannot allow him to come inside UAE again. Okay. That I go bola again. We are who a fraudster. We are now a boundary Dubai. A case in Dubai. A boundary totally banned. A criminal case. A boundary a Dubai. A boundary. A boundary totally a Dubai. Joy Mo can have Dubai. Obi Dubai before. Obi Dubai on a criminal case. Na Dubai. On a criminal case. A deport from Dubai. For 5 years now, we are in Dubai. More than 5 years to 6 years now. We are in Dubai. Okay, more than okay, we are in Dubai.
Na nkịta gba eriri ọkaji n'aka. Nkịta na-eri nshi. So iwe deportee na Dubai only ola na decide deport where and a deport wage. So iwe deportee na common Dubai. Get where the other city be with 3 months. Iwe onyara ihe na eme ginishi. Are you okay? Let today be the first and the last day. Come hapo. It touch again. No, stay your day. Buru life, forget that it's already fucked up. Day your day. Buru life, forget etijare already day your day. I am warning you for the last time. In any way, directly, indirectly. Because, him can make it this time. You know this? Let me just manage your remaining leftover. Let me just manage you and save you for more disgrace. Again. Ina rula ko tula ne shinimi. Romea wutinde failures ibeki. Ina rula ko tula ne shinimi. Romaya with your follow failures. I am not in your categories. I am not a deportee. Even a deport in America is Ogu. A deport to go in America, Ogu. Not somewhere where people they carry their baggage they run. Not where people they deport themselves and deport working. Imagine where nde madonna joaju. People like Jizaka jogi. Don't stay. Anyone abasaram stay away. Michael Obi, I'm not busy. No, Michael Obi, you're not like this useless man. You're not like this useless. Oh my goodness. You're not like this atom, Makachi. You don't like this. You want to go? I am referring to him because Ojenebanu, Ibeana, Gabano, Wehuru. Yejebahu, Jebu, Jesumoshi. I don't worry, Tiga, and Agabe. Oh, and I penny again, I pugo, or make Gary realize ego, and I pugo the portoroge. When the money fell no coco, they will not allow you again. Gawana and Soka Bunu, Gako Wubo. Ono na akọ rice abakeleke, right? Ono na Soka na akọ rice nda abakeleke. Gbere ogu jemadia je komaya. And ga bali alo nwan. Bali alo nwan ya wuru ma family nwan ni go genye toro ga ka to cover all this your fucked up life. Because when we dey ga zogi. All this your begging, church ka ga baba, ebe ka ga baba. I choro ime. Itiele. Itigo. And this paint in agbara anyi na cup. Na agbara anyi na akwụkwọ keza this foil ejeke chicken. Gibega wore foil ejeke chicken ga agba ya paint. Ewes is la foil. And eji ere my. You can open a my place. Ebe da kwa kare my. Geba chan foil yan. Geba chan papa ya na agba ya. Geji ake my the mothers wear na area. You will make more money than a paint in a foil and ejeke my than he na susu. There are many ways you can do many business than this rubbish in a susu. This your end property of life in a susu. This is what I know. Jebo ndega na ejaka egboregi beans. Get with it that paint in a paint China foil and they came in a with a cup. Gaba mama mo jadi. Umaka dry kena bana in a bana that ten and gonna Russian them mad. Step on the street and go and fry my mind. Kenya people, oh, this is my mind will go do. Hey, yeah. Go and use that talent to make money on the streets. There are many ways you can sit down. Oh, my mind. Don't bring down to me. I'm not in your level. if today, say, I no go work again, I go look for low income house. America go to give me food, they chop. And what mama get you know in any level. Akwa can go on again. Can go on again. Even if today say I no see cheap food to chop again, I go military quarters and I Henry for free. And I all military wives just as I decided not to go and collect. And we can go and live in military quarters. I say my husband will not live there, I know they go. So when we pay or a lamenjo, and when they are military here, we can go there and stay. When the military wives, their quarters. Oh my God, I make him allow video there. I could have taken you there, make like a video. When I got on the same obo, I know on the same obo with you. Look for your mates. Look for your mates. Even today, say we no fit pay house rent in time. We go military quarters. Go stay. You understand what I'm saying? When I got on the same circle. No. I know. Also, that is failures. I'm not in the same circle with them. Day or day. My dear, your fucked up life. See how you can rekindle, or how you put it, find your way where you left it. I am not in your circle.